Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy and delicious peach cobbler funnel cake. Yes, peach cobbler funnel cake. As if funnel cake needed anything else, right? My favorite fair food. So these are the ingredients that I'll be using today. Like I said, it's super easy. I got some help from the grocery store. This is the funnel cake mix that I'll be using, and you already know I got it from the Aldi supermarket. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm not making a lot, so I'll just have this 1 can of peaches. You already know I gotta do my commercial break. This is the coldest water bottle. Make sure you hit the link down below. Use my code and get you some money off, honey. They got some amazing bottles. They keep things hot and keep things cold for as long as you need it to, so make sure you check it out. Now I'm just gonna add my peaches to my pot. This right here is a product I developed that will be available September 1st. Now hear me out. You know, I know y'all probably thinking, oh, why is she selling cinnamon sugar? It ain't cinnamon sugar, okay? If you've been following me for a long time, you're OG, you know what's going on. You know it's the real deal. And this actually has 7 ingredients. So, you know, I'm one of those people where I'm just tired of grabbing all these ingredients just to make one thing. And so I developed something where I could just grab that one ingredient and it has everything I need to make my desserts. And look how amazing this looks by using just that one product. However, I will have substitutions down below if you can't wait till September 1st. Okay? I will have substitutes down below. Right here, I'm just following the directions on the package of the funnel cake. The reason why I won't tell you exact water ingredients, I mean, it really doesn't matter, is because it depends on the brand that you buy. Because some brands might use less or more water. So like I said, just follow the directions on the back of your package and you're good to go. And now we're going to cook them up, and I can't wait for you guys to see how amazing they look. And now you just go in a swirly, circular, rotation, just like this. And I didn't want big old funnel cakes. I actually made nice, cute size ones. If you want big ones, you could go ahead and make big, giant ones. That's fine. I will say my package said the oil should be at 375. I found that was way too hot. So I fried my funnel cakes on 350. However, you guys already know, it depends on your stove, it depends on your house, it depends on the package that you buy. I find that 375 oil was too hot. And so now I'm going to put everything together. All right, so I have a funnel cake down, and now I'm going to drizzle on some of the peach juice just like this. Next, I'm going to add some ice cream on top. You can use the flavor you prefer. I'm using vanilla bean. Just kept it simple, vanilla bean ice cream. And then I'm going to put the peaches on top. Y'all, I just want to say, I'm just so impressed with how the pre-made funnel cake and how good it actually was. It was crispy on the edges. It was fluffy on the inside. And that's crazy. Y'all need to sponsor me. As far as the peaches, yeah, oh my God. I just can't wait till September 1st. I just can't wait for September 1st when all my products go on sale and for y'all to see that I don't cap. I've never been a capper, okay? I've never been a capper. You guys know this. So September 1st, you'll be able to get all my products, including this one today that I showed you guys today. And yes, so hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you for always supporting me. Follow me on Facebook. I finally made a Facebook. My Facebook is Misha's Corner. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. I love y'all. Thank you for your support always. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and a share. And I'll catch y'all later. Bye, y'all.